Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the overset text problem in Adobe InDesign. So the first thing that you will need to do is to open your Adobe InDesign software and follow these simple steps. Basically, I'm going first to add a text box or to create a text box so I can show you what is the problem. So here I'm going just to fill with the placeholder text, and as you can see there is no problems yet. So let's suppose that I want to add some text into this little text box. You will see that I have like surplus of text that cannot fit in our text box. So basically there are many ways or some methods that you can solve this problem with. The first one is to click on this to select your text box with the selection tool, and select your text box, and then you will need just to click on the red plus sign here, and it will give you this icons or this image of text here that you can move, and then you will just click here, or you can just have it like this, and it will give you the opportunity or the ability to create a new text box, so it will fit the other one. Basically now the two text box are are linked, so whenever I'm going to add some text here, as you can see it will be added in the second ones too. The other method is to basically just edit the size of your text box by just clicking with the selection tool and select your text box and just resize it. As you can see now my text is fitting very well in my text box. The third and the last method that you can do is to create manually another text box like this, and click on selection tool, select the other or the first text box, click on the plus sign and link it to the text box that you created manually, and it will be linked automatically. And now you can just edit the size of each text box as you want, like this for example, or just take them here, have them here, so however you want your text box to be disposed. So basically and simply those are the ways to fix the overset text in Adobe InDesign. Thank you for watching and see you next time.